Good morning, students. Welcome to my GK class. And now you open your GK book and go to page number 12. And the name of the chapter is Hobbies. Hobbies is an activity that you can do for pleasure or relaxation. It helps to relieve stress by keeping us engaged in something for enjoy. Having a hobby can help your social life and create a bond with others. We have different hobbies to keep ourselves busy and amused. Can you name the ones given below? Look at the picture number 1 and the first hobby is playing an instrument. The second one is scuba diving. Scuba diving is a mode of underwater diving where the diver uses a special equipment to breathing. Look at the picture number 3, that is embroidery. Embroidery is a craft of decorating fabric or other using a needle to apply thread or yarn. Number 4 picture is roller skating. Roller skating is the traveling on surface with roller skates. Number 5 is fishing. It is also one type of popular hobbies. Now you look at the picture number 6. Can you identify? Yes, this is photography. Number 7. Do you know what is this? This hobby's name is horse riding. Now we look at the picture number 8. That is collecting stamps. Collecting stamps is also called philately. Now look at the picture number 9 and the hobby is collecting coins. Collecting coins is fun for all ages. In ancient time, coins of all kinds were used as the primary forms of currency. I hope all of you understood this chapter, and now you go to chapter number 18 and page number 24, and the name of the chapter is document. A document is a form of information. It's an official paper of writing which gives information and proof about us. Like your ID card, that is also one type of document. Many important documents are used by us for different purposes. Here are a few of them. Can you name them? Just you look at the question number 1. A dash is used while driving any vehicle like car, bus or a scooter. The answer is driving license. It's a document. So, a driving license is used while driving any vehicle like car, bus or a scooter. Okay? Now you go to question number 2. A dash is used to pay bills without paying in cash at the same time. The answer is credit card. A credit card is used to pay bills without paying in cash at the same time. Now the question number 3. An dash is used at the polling booth during election. The answer is election ID card. So, an election ID card is used at the polling booth during elections. Now the question number 4 is a dash is used when one goes out of his or her own country. That means when one goes to the abroad. So the answer is, which document you need? Passport. A passport is used when one goes out of his or her own country. Now you look at the question number 5. A dash is a book that contains the statement of our bank account and the document is passbook. So the answer is a passbook is a book that contains the statement of our bank account. The last one, the question number 6, dash is a smart card issued to identify each and every citizen of India, and for that we need Aadhaar card. Aadhaar card is the document which is a smart card issued to identify each and every citizen of India. Okay, this much for today. Thank you and have a nice day.